If you're already using AI art tools and posting images every day, this is something you really shouldn't be ignoring. SeaArt has daily challenges where you can earn credits just for participating. And the best part? You're not doing anything extra. You're just creating art around a theme. So let me show you how this actually works and how you can take part without overthinking it. When you open SeaArt and go to the Event Center, you'll see a section called Daily Challenges. Every single day, SeaArt releases new themes, sometimes realistic styles, sometimes IP-based challenges, sometimes broader creative prompts. Each challenge lives inside the Event Center and everything is clearly dated, so you always know what's active today. Now here's the important part. Only work created on the same day is accepted, so you can't upload old images or reuse previous generations. If today has a challenge, the image must be created today. To participate, you start by clicking on Create and heading into Image Generation. From here, you generate an image that matches the theme of the challenge you want to enter. This could be realism, character art, cinematic scenes. It fully depends on what today's challenge asks for. Once your image is ready, you don't publish it immediately. Instead, you go to the Event tab, open the active challenge, and click on Post. Here, SeaArt will show you all the images you've generated today. You select the one that fits the theme best, add a title, and publish it directly inside the challenge. As soon as you submit successfully, participation rewards are credited instantly to your account. That means you don't have to wait days just to see something happen. Now, on top of basic participation rewards, SeaArt also selects Excellence Award winners every day. Around 20 creators are chosen daily, and those results are announced the following day on the activity page. Winning works are also showcased publicly, which is huge for visibility. But this part isn't random. SeaArt evaluates featured submissions based on creativity first. That's almost half the weight. Then they look at artistic expression, how well your work actually interprets the theme, and finally, innovation potential. So even if you're not posting at peak hours or chasing likes, your work can still get noticed if it's genuinely good. One important thing to remember, if your submission doesn't follow the theme properly, SeaArt can deduct participation rewards. So always double-check the challenge description before posting. What I really like about this system is that it encourages consistency. You're not just spamming generations, you're creating with intention. Over time, you build skill, visibility, credits, and sometimes even real rewards, all from art you'd probably be making anyway. If you're already using SeaArt, daily challenges are honestly one of the easiest ways to make your time on the platform more rewarding. Try today's challenge, experiment with the theme, and see where it takes you. And if you've already participated before, let me know. I'd love to hear whether you're doing it for fun, practice, or the rewards. I'll see you in the next one.